NHORA chapter, Southwest Idaho Board of Directors. So this is a video tutorial if you would like to set up an email campaign for any of your events. First is that you need to go to NHORA.org and then log in. All right. Once you're already logged in, um, you need to click on control panel. All right. This control panel option, this is only visible if you do have admin access. If you don't have admin access, kindly email me. All right. So I can give you one. So click on that and then go from here, go to communications and then admin function. Oh, hold on. Website modules. All right. And then emailing. All right. And then add emailing. There you go. All right. So kindly fill up this form for basic information. All right. Click on that. Click on edit basics. And then for the category, click on the drop down and then select your chapter. All right. From email address, very self-explanatory, but for example, I'm going to use the Southwest Idaho chapter president email address. All right. For a subject line, okay. So what I normally do is that I just use ChatGPT. All right. So let's say create a subject line for our Southwest. All right. Let's say this one. Gonna copy that and put it in subject line. All right. So here you do have an option to send it now or schedule the email campaign to send. All right. So um, let's select this, send now, and then click save. For the emailing distribution list, all right, click on the edit distribution list. And then create a new list. And then from here, scroll down and select on everyone in selected category. All right. Then everyone in the category, click on the drop down arrow and then find the NHORA Southwest Idaho here. Then click add. So meaning once we finish the email campaign, this email campaign will be sent out to all of your chapter members. All right. Then once you're already added it, it will show here. Then click save. Now, in order to design the email campaign, so let's say we call this elements. All right. So we put it here I'm going to use image element. Just drag it over there, and then click on insert image, and then upload the graphics design that you created, or you can also use the one that we have in our Canva. All right. So this is the one that I created recently for you guys. All right. So it's really up to you if you would like to use this or not. But if you're going to upload it here, you need to make sure that you're going to remember the file name. All right. So here, upload new file, browse, and then downloads. There you go. Save. There you go. All right. Next is that we would like to put a write-up, something like that. And then, so that time I'm going to be using the one column text, right? And then click the pencil icon to input the write-up. For the write-up, I'm going to use the ChatGPT. I'm just gonna copy this. Then put it here. I want to make it bigger. So as you can see, the font size is 15. So I just gonna change that to 18. So it's really depend on you. All right. And then here, there's supposed to be a bullet point. So I'm gonna click here. Hold on. I'm trying to create a bullet point here using this, but as you can see, it's showing there at the one on top. So instead, for the bullet point, click on Alt, then 7, then space. Alt 7 simultaneously. All right. Then we're gonna click save, but we're not yet done. All right. We just want to see what it looks like. All right. And then here, click on edit again. Just put a space on top. And then put a space here. And then click here, insert link. For the link type, click on future events. You can only do this if you already have a registration website. Okay. If your registration website was set up in let's say Eventbrite, okay, you need to use external page and then copy the link from the Eventbrite, then put it here. All right. And then On the for the button, for the link display type, use an image. All right, and then select. Just use this keyword registration. Search the title. All right, contains, show files. Then select registration banner. We're looking for the registration banner. Um, registration, register. Let's try this. But if you set up the registration website in Club Express CRM for the link type, instead of using external page, you need to use the feature events. Okay. Then for the category, of course, you need to select your chapter. Southwest Idaho chapter. No, it's not yet here. Let me create a new one for you. All right. Let's go back here. Future events category. Southwest Idaho. All right. So currently, there's no events available in your chapter, but this is going to be for a reference. Once you already created a registration in Club Express CRM for your chapter, you will see a drop down here. But for example only, I'm gonna use this. All right. So I just want to show you what does it looks like of what we're trying to do. All right. Here, there, and click save. All right. I'm gonna click save. And as you can see, um, the registration banner is kind of too big. So we need to resize this. All right. I'm gonna show you how to resize this. Click again on the pencil icon. Click on the banner itself. And then click on the edges here. Then there you go. You just need to make sure that it will fit the frame. All right. So As you can see, it's smaller, but there's still a portion here. So we don't want it to happen. All right. So as much as possible, we want it to be more formal. All right. Just a little bit. All right. Click save. All right. Few more adjustment. Save. All right. Perfect. Just a little bit more. All right. So there you have it. So one more thing is that you need to make sure that all the elements are in center. All right. Alignment, center, and click apply. Normally, before I send the email campaign to members, I first do send test to my email. So I just want to see what does it looks like when the recipient receive the email campaign. All right. So we just gotta wait. All right. So this is the email campaign that we created. I'm gonna click on that. There you go. So if I click on this will automatically supposed to be go directly to the registration website. Seems like there is something wrong with the registration website, but that is the idea. All right. So let's change that instead. Future events category. And see any other example. I mean other events that we can use. East Bay category. East Bay chapter. Let's do it here. Again, if you're going to resize the banner, you need to click on the edge. It's kind of off. Awesome. Let's send it again. Test send. Wait for a couple of minutes. All right, we will just wait for the email, okay? All right, so let's say I click here, register now. It will go to the registration website. All right, so that's the idea. Of course, you need to make sure that all of the information are here on the email campaign, such as date and the location of the events. So I'm gonna save this. All right. Let's say we already scheduled to send this. Let's say I'm gonna schedule this for tomorrow at 9 a.m. But don't worry, I'm still going to delete this because this is just an example. I just want to show you something. Ready for deliver. All right. So let's say you already set up that email campaign. All right. To avoid keep doing that, what I advise you to do is select on the category, then select your chapter. All right. And click search. Then it will appear the email campaign that you set up will be available there. All right. And then click on copy. And then edit the draft. Click on edit. Then just change the subject here. So it's like saving you so much time if you're gonna do this. So yes, I'm gonna use this. Then schedule again an email campaign. Let's say Sunday, 9 a.m. 9 click save. Done. As you can see, the subject line changed. And it's up to you if you still want to change the write-up. So that's also an option for you. Click on the pencil icon and then just change it. Then click save. Once everything is set, click on ready for deliver. And there you have it. All right. So again, I'm going to remove this. What I just provided you is just an instruction on how to set up the email campaign. All right. If you do have any question regarding this, just let me know and have a great day.